Morning guys, nag-change location naman tayo guys. First, I go to Pau Pau and I watching these people there, observe, but I don't see it. The atulay catching was start early, like 8 o'clock, but I'm moving. I'm going to Garapan. This is my first cut. Si Mama guys, come on Mama. Oh. Yeah. This is it guys. Wow, bigat guys pag malaki talaga guys. This is it. Alright. Good morning. Good morning. Another spot. I see it, young kids. We have training Taladya. My right side. Yeah. I came only a few minutes. But the weather still low tide because I go to the Tanapag. The Papo is still low tide guys. Right, but this is not zero again guys. I'm not fishing in San Antonio guys. Only here now in the back of the Federal guys. Alright, let's go. The Big Mama, Mr. B. Bro. Oh, sorry bro, that don't call me. I'm very busy bro. Call you bro. Alright, you see Rapago, Mark Rapago, shout out. Good morning bro. This is another catching, the big size man. Alright guys, starting again guys ha. Oh come on. Slowly, I'm meaning to say guys, slowly. Somebody tell me Papa, Huey, you teach me how to catch Mama. So, you watch my video and learn. It was very easy. If you know that one, like this one, you harvest in your span in the water, bro. See, look at the good size, bigger to your cellphone. See, already still alive. That's the one, bro. Alright, and even, bro. Continue natin, guys, ha. We have 2 already in 3 minutes. Alright, let's go. Yun guys, oh. Alright ma, wop. Okay mama, don't mad to me. Love you. Guys, kumakuha natin to guys. Number 3. Come on mama. Slowly lang guys. Honest to goodness guys. Slowly little bit. Like that, and back up little bit. And then you can play. Because the maputi si mama only following guys. See, look, that's one. Yeah, and make it type with si mama is big size guys. See, this is only a second guys. That's why I like to go there, because mama maputi is big size guys. And guys, oh, it's very big size. See, look that. Yeah, see. That's why continuous na tayo guys. Ayan oh, bigger to my cellphone. Alright, continuous tayo guys ha. Okay, so shout out to Officer Mr. Investigator Mr. Babauta guys. Shout out the pamilya of Babauta. Shout out guys. Si Mr. Officer Investigator. Oh. Guys, oh, yan naman guys, oh, lalaki kasing ano talaga dito guys. Hindi mo pwede ano dito. Ibang klaseng mga puti dito guys. Monster talaga guys. Yun lang, mainit lang ang lugar guys. Pero okay lang. Para ausin tayo guys, mamaya lipat tayo. Kasi uminit na yung ulo ko din, yung kalbo ko. Tama yan guys, oh, grabe. 4 yan guys. Di 4 pounds na. Alright. Alright, continuous lang guys ha. Guys, another one guys, oh. Even I sit down guys. Laki guys. Very hard, it's big size. But the problem guys is a lot what do you call this one? The grass. Come on mama. Hey guys, oh. Yeah, see that? Come on. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung dulo ng ano natin guys, oh. Grass yan guys, kasi mahirap. Kaya pero grabe maputi ito guys. Grabe, parang 2 pounds yan guys, oh. Oh, parang sinilas ko ng laki guys, oh. Tayo yan guys. Ah, yan si Papa Jerry guys. At least may 5 na tayong ganito kalalaki guys. Okay na yan, insured na yan. Papaupo lang tayo sa ating pwesto. Alright, let's go lang. See, look at Papa. The Hamson man. The mama loves Papa Jerry in the beachside. Papa lahat ng guys, Papa Jerry. Alright guys. Thank you to Mr. Pati ko si Urbano D. Babauta Jr. guys. Investigator guys, the policeman. He buy 5 pounds to me. Thank you bro for blessing for me. That's one tomorrow I buy my bread. You know, at least another mama again guys. If you like guys, still have. I don't know if somebody buy today a lot or tomorrow. You already check me guys, right? Kuntis natin guys. Woohoo! Kuntis natin guys, oh. Mama guys, oh. Tanan! Nakangiti guys, oh. Right? And look at Papa will sit down. Because a little bit raining guys, and we have a fisherman to catching eat. Woohoo! Alright. Okay guys, this is it. Only this one I catching today guys. I going to the Pau Pau. I observe this that place, and that I see that only a small coupon, but holding to try is what do you call this one? It's a lot. The group of the tulay. But I go there, you see it, may video. Nobody catching. Only si Andrew. I think that's using the kayak, and si Tuto. Yeah. By the way, time to go home guys. But this time, I go to my spot. I'm not lucky guys. At least I still have a catching guys. Continue natin sa this coming afternoon. Maybe I go in the back my place again guys. Because this time, not the good size I catching today. Alright? Okay ma? God bless you guys. See you soon. May another video guys. But I have a new video again guys. Catching a lot of the EE. Okay? Love you guys. See you soon guys.